Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can kind of create an ad for your product. Well, this one is about fresh juice. So I'm just going to get this as an example. Obviously, yours is going to have a brand. Actually, let me use this one. And you can kind of rotate it if you like. I'm just going to make it like this first. I'm just going to also change the background into, I guess, should we do like an orange color or more yellow? Let me see what I want to do. I think I'm going with the orangey. I like this, but I feel like it blends too much with the actual product. Let's just go with this, it's fine. And then I'm just going to, you can add these now or later. I think that's a little bit too much, so I'm just going to find orange juice splash first. And then I think I might add this. Let me remove the background and see what it looks like. Okay. What about this one? I don't like that either. Okay, this one's not bad. Can definitely work with that. So I'm just going to place it here. And I'm also just going to, should I place it above? Yeah, I think I'm just going to place it above the splash here. Okay, hold on. Okay. Well, I'm gonna just make it like that. Sorry. And then I'm just going to find shadow as well here. Let's put it like right here, I guess. Perfect. And then maybe some water splash as well, like for behind that, to show like freshness, I guess. Oh, what just happened? And I'm also just going to adjust the transparency here. I don't know whether I should put it behind or in front of that. That one's a little bit too vibrant. Blue. Okay, sorry, I'm just adjusting stuff. Then I'm just going to find orange slices, maybe. And you're just going to want to kind of place them all over. Maybe find just orange slice, or you can even just do this if you're that lazy. Maybe have some in front and some behind. So I'm just going to place some behind here first. And then have some in front. And just like kind of crop it, you know. Like that. Oh, that one's a little bit too cropped. Okay, maybe I have to only have like just one here in front. And then let's have this one in front here. Oops. Like that maybe. And then you're just going to add a text box and type like your brand or something. I'll just do fresh. I don't know. And you can use any font that you like. I like this one. And I'm just going to color it. Let's do just a plain white here. Oh, that is not. There we go. Sorry. And I'm just going to move this downwards a little so you can see the text. You can also add in an effect like maybe the lift one. like so. And that is it. You can add more stuff, but I think you can kind of like create your own. So yeah, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.